Hi everyone and welcome to Fun with Code. In this video we are going to see how to send mails using Python. We are going to use a module called smtplib. So without any further delay, let's have fun with code. As always, we are going to import the module first. You don't need to install it because it's already installed when you install Python. So let's say smtplib, and then we are going to, as always, we'll create a instance of this module. So let's say uh, ms, and which is equal to sm dot. Now here we are going to pass in smtp dot gmail dot com, and then we are going to pass in some number. So let's say 587, and you can see here it says port number and host. So smtb.gmail.com is the host, and then 587 is the port number. Now we are going to give our email id and our password. So if you enable two-step verification, you need to give application specific password. So let me show you how to what is application specific password and how to get that password. First, go to your Google account and then go under security, and then go to sign in to Google, and then you'll have app passwords, and I already have a password. So if you click on that, first you need to sign in, and then you can select the app like mail and drive, and there are some other options. You need to select mail, and it will give you a password. You need to copy that and paste here. So I think you understood what I was telling. So let's come back to our file. Now we are going to say ms dot st start tls, and then let's say ms dot login, and then here we are going to pass in our user email id and comma password. I'm not going to pass in, but I'll show you the output. And after this, let's give it let's give in a message. So as I said you, this is if you enable two-step verification. Here you should pass in the app password. So, and after that we need to give the message. So let's create a variable called message is equal to, then open, you can type some message whatever you want to say. Let's say please please subscribe if you like, and let's use some emojis. And by the way, if you don't know, the shortcut key for using emojis is Windows plus period key. And after this we are going to send mail. Let's say ms dot send mail, and then first you are going to pass in your email id, and then you are going to pass in the uh, receiver's email id. This is the sender's id and this is the receiver's id. So you can give both you can fill both of them with your email ids for testing. And then we are going to send the this message. And then after everything is finished, let's say ms dot quit, after everything is finished, it's just going to quit. So I will show you the output now. And here is the output. I was not able to send the message with emoji, so I've removed the emoji. And the subject is, the body is, please subscribe if you like. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video.